Hi, this is Gary, and welcome to the post-exploitation section. I must tell you that you're really great that you come this far. In this lecture, I will quickly summarize what we're going to do in this whole section. So, in the post-exploitation phase of an attack, your exploit was already successful. That means that you have your foothold on the machine. This could be a command execution tool, such as what we had with the first git stack exploit, or a more interactive command shell, such as the metasploit git stack exploit, or a special tool such as the meterpreter. In this section, we are going to talk about what you can do after this point. Post-exploitation is all about getting more access and collecting information. We'll focus on the following topics: escalate all privileges to the highest possible, collect credentials that could be used to attack other systems in the network, and achieving persistence, so making sure that whatever happens, we won't lose our access to this specific machine. Even though many of these can be achieved with only one tool, we'll focus on using different tools for different tasks. The reason for that is that I wanted to show you that there are quite a few tools out there, and the more tools you know, the more possibilities you have. Sometimes one tool is going to work, but the other isn't. So it's good to experiment with different tools, even though the features might overlap. If you at least heard about all of them, then you will be able to quickly test which one delivers the result you were expecting.